This can be you making money selling products across multiple e-commerce stores in different countries, some of which you've never been. Today, not only will I be telling you how it's done based on experience, I will also show you step by step. Q4 is the best season to start selling products online, and people or consumers love buying from professionally looking businesses. So that's where we're gonna start. Building your store. On average, it takes 1 hour minimum to build a good e-commerce store, or at least that's how it used to be before AI. And interestingly enough, according to stats, this is the stage where most people give up. Maybe you've also tried before and gave up while you were building your store. But just like how ChatGPT has simplified our lives in many ways, Build Your Store AI is a tool you can use to build your store in minutes instead of hours. First step, when you click the link below, you land on this page. Yes, I did ask them to put my picture so that you know you're on the right website. Put your detail, click choose your store niche. As you can see here, you can pick a niche, and if you're not sure of the niche, you can click I'm not sure. In my case, I'm gonna go for electronics and gadgets because that's the niche for one of my real stores. Here you choose a banner by picking 2 pictures, but you can always change them later if you want something unique. Click Access Shopify. If you click the Access Shopify via Build Your Store AI, you're gonna land on this page where you get a 3 days free trial and the first 3 months only for $1 per month. It's enough time for you to test it out before you commit. Start your free trial. Here you can skip all. You're gonna land on this page, go back to Build Your Store AI and click Done. Then link your store. As you can see here, you need to paste your Shopify URL. So go back to your Shopify store, copy the link and paste it back here. Next page, grab your Shopify discount. This is where you're gonna have to input your banking details. They're not gonna charge you anything. As I said, the first 3 days are free and the first 3 months $1. They need your banking details to verify, but they won't charge you anything and you can cancel anytime. Next, put your business address, which is basically your home address, unless of course you have a registered business. Come back to Build Your Store AI and click Done. Click Install App. This is Build Your Store app, which is connected to your AI store. Then click Customize My Store. Here you can add top selling products by registering to AutoDS. AutoDS sells products from different suppliers such as AliExpress, Shein, and others. If you would like to sell products sourced by AutoDS, you can click register to AutoDS. If not, you can just click it and then come back and click done. But I'm going to show you quickly how to register to AutoDS. Start by selecting your selling channel, which is Shopify, and you land on this page. As you can see here, these are normal prices, but if you register to AutoDS using Build Your Store AI, you get 1 month almost for free, which is like under $1. Put your details here. They're asking you how did you hear about them. You can click YouTube and put my channel. You can click the types of products you'd like to sell. Here, make sure to click the first option, which is I have a Shopify store. You're gonna be directed to this page. Click install. If you go back to Build Your Store AI and click done, you're gonna land on this page where you can read more about TikTok ads if you're interested, but for now you can just click get free ads and then go back to Build Your Store AI and click done. To publish your store, click access my Shopify. This page will open up showing you that your store is restricted by password. Only people with this password can see your store. Obviously you don't want that. Just click off restrict password. Your store is live without any password. As you can see, these are real products from verified suppliers. The header section, navigation, and other essential elements have all been created by AI. If you were building this store manually, you'd have to add all these sections and populate them with content. But the AI has done everything for you, including navigation links, policies, etc. All you have to do is read and correct what you want to correct. For example, make sure to proofread important sections like shipping policy. AI provides generic shipping timelines, so adjust them based on your shipping suppliers. If you are sourcing locally, obviously the shipping times will be much shorter, so update that as well. One thing you'll definitely need to change is your logo. You can create a logo on Canva and upload it here. One particular step I would like to highlight is linking your bank account. This is how you're going to be receiving your payments. If you're not from South Africa, you can use all the other methods that are available here. If you're in South Africa, for example, you can use PayFast, but you'll see that when you click here, PayFast does not appear. So what you need to do is go to PayFast website, create an account, and once inside, integrate Shopify within PayFast. You can do this before you even verify your PayFast account. And once that is done, when you go back to Shopify and search for it, you'll see PayFast there. Just like that, your store is up and ready. You may think, oh, there's nothing lazy about this, or this is not a lazy side hustle, but trust me, if you have built an e-commerce store before AI became a thing, you know how long and how hard it is. It takes time. So yes, AI has made it easier to build an e-commerce store. What's not easy or lazy about an e-commerce business is marketing. Building a good e-commerce store is one step, but you need to get your products in front of potential consumers. And for this, you need to post your products on social media. You need content to post on social media, especially if your main strategy is free marketing. One way you can go about this is downloading pictures and videos from your suppliers, whether it be locally or internationally, basically where you are getting the products you are selling. You can use these pictures, it's allowed. But the limitations with this, when you're using free marketing, you need to constantly post on social media your product from different angles. So the best strategy would be to combine those videos and pictures from the supplier website, but also order a sample. This way you can create your own content. But how do you know what kind of videos to create, especially if you don't have experience? There are two proven methods which I still use to this day. For aesthetic inspiration, that is how you should position your product or the angles, what to put around it when you're taking videos. Use Pinterest. Go to Pinterest and type the name of the product you're going to be selling and add video. Then you'll see similar videos from different angles by different people. Copy all the links of the product that you like or the angles that you like. Save those links on one document, and this is the document you should be using each time you are creating content. For practical inspiration, that is creating videos or ads that are not only aesthetically pleasing but also address the pain points of potential consumers. For this, use ChatGPT. Go to ChatGPT, give it a prompt whereby you explain the product you're going to be selling, what it does, the features of this product. Then ask ChatGPT to tell you what are the pain points you should be focusing on when creating an ad, and it should also give you ideas on how to create those ads or those videos. From the list, choose the best ideas and combine this with point one, which is the aesthetics. Once you have created the videos, use CapCut free version to edit into one polished video. Before you post the video, you need to decide on the background sound. And how do you decide on the background sound? There are three strategies that I normally use and they have proven to work. Either use a trending sound, especially on TikTok. When you use a trending sound from TikTok, people may find your video while looking for that trending sound, and a fraction of those people may be your customers. But also, when TikTok sees that people are seeing your video, even if they are not buying your product, they may see that traction and choose to push your video. But if you're using the same sound added outside TikTok, you would have to rely on your video trending, which is harder. Use a voiceover, but using a realistic AI, unless if you want to use your own. I personally like to use AI voice because some stores are male targeted and I use a male voice, and some stores are female targeted and I use a female voice. Plus, I want to remain anonymous. The third option is to use emotional movie audios. When it comes to background sounds, I recommend alternating between these three options every couple of posts. Other than using organic marketing or free marketing, you can also use paid ads. Free marketing is good if you are targeting locally or nationally, like your country, because usually that's how the algorithm is designed. Unless you trend, your content is usually shown to people within the same country. If you want to target international clients, you'd have to trend globally. But with paid ads, you can set your ads such that they appear in those countries. So in the upcoming videos, I can show you how to create such ads targeting consumers in different countries.